get these nails. You can get nails, Pink Paradise press-on nail. Aren't they cool? I like these ones for for Valentine's Day. Look at the beautiful stars and the hearts. Look at all these other ones. And I like this one right there too. That one, like that one up there, like a ballet one. Look at this little one. Look at the cameo ones.
Which number?
It's 14. That's the one I want.
Yeah.
There it is. Get it out. We'll show it. Here we go. We paid for it. There we go. That's how we got our nails. I can do up my nails for Valentine's Day. Beautiful. Have a great day. I love them. Bye bye.